Watch how smart POD sellers turn one design into 10 different bestsellers using Kittl. They take a winning template and in 5 minutes, they create multiple designs for trending niches that sell on platforms like Etsy and Amazon and so many others. It's the same proven design, just swapping out the text and colors, and instead of gambling on 10 random designs, they multiply one best-selling quality template. By the time you finish watching this video, they're gonna have uploaded 10 designs and started selling already. So let's take a look at how it works. Over here, I'm gonna click on merchandise, then t-shirts, and in the template search panel, I'm gonna type in camping and then scroll until I find a template that I think is gonna fit for me, which let's go with this one. Then in Kittl, I can use a really cool feature called the quick replace feature, and I'll find a camper and then hit the replace button, which perfectly puts it in place. Now I can change my text here. I'm gonna have it say Glacier Camping Club instead, then expand this so that it makes a little bit more sense with the layout. And now instead of California, I'm gonna have it say Montana instead. Now I can use a really cool feature called the color palettes feature, where I can just scroll through and find one that's gonna fit for me. Then I can even mock it up using the mockup tool here in Kittl and see what it's gonna look like on a t-shirt just like this. Or I can go over into the search panels in the mockup and search through a variety of different mockups like this one right here, which looks pretty cool and outdoorsy. Look, the POD game has completely changed, and the winners aren't just professional designers anymore. The winners are the ones who are pumping out the most relevant, trend-matched designs that buyers actually want. And they're all using the same secret weapon, and that's Kittl's templates that are so easy to use and easy to edit. Join the best POD sellers and start creating your own best-selling products with Kittl, where you can get started for free.